In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Stammer AI tutorial. So Stammer AI is a no-code platform that allows businesses to create AI-powered solutions and customize them as white label products. So whether you want to offer AI chatbots, automation tools, or analytics software, Stammer AI provides the framework for building and launching these solutions without needing to code. So why use Stammer AI? First, it's because of their no-code development. So you don't need any programming skills to create AI-driven software solutions. The platform simplifies the entire process. Next is white label flexibility. Stammer AI allows you to brand your software fully, giving you the freedom to offer the product under your own logo, colors, and domain. And another one is AI integration. So, from natural language processing to automation and machine learning, the platform is equipped with state of the art AI tools that are easy to integrate. So, let's get started on setting up our account. So, from the Stammer AI website, you just need to click here on Start Building. It's free. So, wait a second, I'm already logged into my account. So to create an account, you can simply just fill up all of the information or continue with your Google account. So I just used my Google account, so just follow that. Now from here, they need to verify our phone number. So just enter the code that is sent to your phone number. And now as you can see, this would be how your dashboard will look like. So in the left-hand side, you will see a bunch of different sections. First is the dashboard. So from here, you will see a quick start guide, a documentation, and a product roadmap. You can also see some of details right here, such as wallet usage, storage or characters, and AI agents. So if you're new to Stammer, you can simply click here to get started quickly and easily. Next is AI agents or chatbots. So you can select my AA agents right here. So as you can see, we have one right here. So the display name is this, the model, support email, and total characters. So your first AI agent, so you can set that up on your account creation. So before you could proceed in your dashboard, you will be required to set up your first AI agent. Next is create a new AI agent. So we'll talk about that later. Next is you want to go to profile or account. So from here, you will see your profile. You can update your email. You can also set your password. You can also see your subscription. So we're just in the free trial, so you can see. So if you want to use the starter, agency, or full SaaS mode subscription, of course, you can avail this by paying the amount right here. Next is billing usage and settings. From here, you will see your current plan, your usage, and of course, the billing, which you can see in your main dashboard. Next is agency. So from here in your agency, you will see your agency profile. So you can update it right here. You can also set the custom domain. So you can register your domain right here or simply add your existing domain right here. And after that, you can adjust your DNS settings and finally launch your website. Next is you can also connect your Stammer AI to Stripe. They have a video tutorial right here. So if it's not connected yet, you can simply click here on the blue text to connect your Stripe account. Next is the SaaS configurator. Here you can create package. So this is not accessible. There's no subscription package. This is the free trial settings. So you need to connect your Stripe to do all of that. So you can also go to Vault. Again, you need to Stripe to do all of this. Next is sub account. So you can create your sub accounts right here, or if you already have one, you will see it in this section. And next is the white label API. So you need an API token to use this service. So if you want this, just create one now. Click on generate new token. You can also explore the API documentation right here. So now let's proceed on creating our chatbot. So just go to create a new AI agent. So now from here, let's just say the name of this AI agent is Dentist Assistant. Or the display name, let's say Mark. And as you can see, they have templates right here, such as the initial messages. So the initial message is, "Hi, what can I help you with?" So of course, you can edit this to what you want. You can also, as you can see, you can enter the chatbot's initial message to users separated by new lines for multiple messages. Next is the conversation starter or suggested messages. So it's a predefined clickable messages for user prompts, separate multiple message with new lines. So let's say you want to add a conversation starter. Say, what services do you offer? So the people who is using your AI agent or your chatbot can click this text. So they can easily click this text, and you can add a message that answers this question for your AI chatbot. So you can see, you can also keep conversation starter messages persistent. You can select the pop-up type. You can also select or edit the initial messages pop-up delay. So this is the default one, and this is your model version. So as you can see here in the bottom, there is this base system prompt or custom instructions. So you simply need to read all of this, follow the instructions, and add the prompts. You can also see the prompt variables right here. So just follow all of this, and now you can type in right here to enter messages for your chatbot. You can also see the advanced settings right here, such as the temperature, the prioritized question or answer results, message template, support email, domains, and the settings right here, such as the enable streaming, show data sources in chat widget, debug mode, and also enable audio features. But this is for beta. So if you're done creating all of this, done setting up your chatbot, simply click on Create AI Agent. So as you can see, I have reached the limit. This is because I only have a free account. But that's basically how you can create your own AI agent using Stammer.ai. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.